What if I told you that you could turn just $1,000 into $100,000 without having to work extra hours, start a side hustle, or invent the next big thing? It's not magic, it's math. And it's all thanks to the power of compound interest. In today's video, I'll break down how compound interest works, why it's so powerful, and how you can use it to grow your wealth, starting today. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your money work for you. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's break it down. What exactly is compound interest? Well, it's interest that builds on itself over time. Unlike simple interest, which only earns interest on the original amount you put in, compound interest earns interest on both your initial investment and the interest you've already gained. Let's say you invest $1,000 in an account that earns 10% interest per year. In year one, you make $100 in interest, bringing your total to $1,100. But in year two, instead of just earning another $100, you now earn 10% on $1,100, which means you make $110 instead. That might not seem like a big difference now, but over time, it snowballs into something massive. Now, let's see just how powerful this can be. If you invest $1,000 today in a stock market index fund with an average 10% annual return, here's what happens. 10 years, 2,593. 20 years, 6,727. 30 years, 17,449. 40 years, 45,259. 47 years equals $100,000. And the best part? You didn't add a single extra dollar. All of this came from just letting your money sit and grow. But what if you don't want to wait 47 years? Great question. Here's how you can hit $100 faster using these three strategies. Number 1. Increase your contributions. Instead of just investing $1,000 once, imagine if you added just $100 per month. That could get you to six figures in 20 to 25 years instead of 47. Number 2. Start as early as possible. Compound interest works best with time. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest to reach your goals. Even if you're in your 30s or 40s, it's not too late. Just start now. Number 3. Choose the right investments. Look into index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, or even high-yield savings accounts for safer growth. The key is long-term consistency. Compound interest is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools, and the best part, anyone can use it. Whether you're starting with $100, $1,000, or more, the key is to start now and let time do the heavy lifting.